Today we are recommending avocado oil. The reason that we like avocado oil is because it has a smoke point of up to 500 degrees. So a lot of times we'll see in a recipe that the recommendation is to use olive oil, which we think of as very heart healthy. However, olive oil has a smoke point around 325 degrees. So when we heat it to higher temperatures than 325, it can begin to denature that fat and turn it into a harmful one. And so we end up with this more detrimental fat as opposed to the heart healthy fat that we started with. So we recommend using olive oil for more of a cold application, whether it be as a salad dressing or maybe even on your meal after it's already been cooked, or throwing it into a smoothie. But when it comes to high heat cooking, we definitely recommend using the avocado oil. And you can choose whatever brand it is that you prefer, but we definitely recommend getting it in a glass bottle so that you're not leaching in those toxins from the plastic container. And we also recommend using avocado oil as opposed to a canola oil or vegetable oil, because those oils are going to be more genetically modified, and then therefore they tend to have more of those pesticides and chemicals, and therefore more pro-inflammatory in our system, as opposed to the avocado oil, which is going to be more rich in the omega-3s or those anti-inflammatory benefits. So definitely recommend using this when it comes to heating up your eggs on the stove, or heating your stir fry, or if you're roasting veggies in the oven. Whatever it is that you're going to be doing at a higher heat, definitely reach for that avocado oil. If you have any unique recipes or combinations to share that include avocado oil, please let us know. And if there are specific food recommendations that you'd like to see us focus on, we would love to hear from you. We appreciate all of your support. Please, if you are not already following us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or subscribe to our YouTube channel, please go ahead and do that. These are the types of things that keep us driving and promoting more education for you guys, and really we appreciate all of the support that you have given us, and we look forward to hearing from you. Wishing you a happy and healthy day.